Hi. Hello family members and welcome back to my channel once again. And first of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And like, comment, share, and please don't skip my video. I want to watch till the end.
Damn!
Dan yup, udah jadi guys. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Plus we say thank you.
Huh?
Bercanda.
Okay guys, I'm just kidding. So learn to make Risol Mayo. Watch until the end and don't skip it.
There's a stranger in my bed. There's a pounding in my head. Glitter all over the room. Pink flamingos in the pool. I smell like a minibar. DJ's passed out in the yard. Bobby's on the barbecue. This a hickey or a bruise. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Damn. Last Friday night, yeah, we danced on tabletops. And we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we maxed our credit cards. And you kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we went streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark, then had a menage a trois. Last Friday night, yeah, I think we broke the law. Always say we're gonna stop. Here's Friday night, do it all again. Here's Friday night, do it all again. Trying to connect the dots, don't know what to tell my boss. Think the city towed my car. Chandelier is on the floor with my favorite party dress. Warrants out for my arrest. Think I need a ginger ale. That was such an epic fail.
Dan yup, udah jadi guys. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Plus we say thank you.
Nom 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 nom.